Hello students, welcome all of you in our online classes. Today we are making video part 4th and chapter number 1 integers for class 7th. In the previous video we have studied about associative property and commutative property. Today we are going for taking distributive property. This is our third number property. Distributive property. Friends, distributive property is divided in two parts. This is the first part. Distributive property for multiplication over addition. Okay, and the second property is for distributive property for multiplication over subtraction. It means it is distributive property over for multiplication over addition, and it is also for multiplication but over subtraction. ये multiplication में addition के लिए होगा and ये multiplication में subtraction के लिए होगा. आइए देखते हैं. Our property is a multiply in bracket b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. This is the property. इस प्रॉपर्टी में a का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर b प्लस c है. देन वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं ये वाला ब्रैकेट पैरेंथेसिस ब्रैकेट होता है. दिस इज पैरेंथेसिस ब्रैकेट और कॉलम. a मल्टीप्लाई इन ब्रैकेट्स b प्लस c इज इक्वल टू, जैसे ही ब्रैकेट ओपन हुआ a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय b एंड a ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय c एंड द सिंबल इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव और प्लस सिंबल. नाउ दिस आइडेंटिटी इज लाइक a मल्टीप्लाई in bracket b minus c is equal to a multiply b minus a multiply c. Students, there is only a minor change. It is for subtraction and there is also sign of subtraction. It is for addition and there is a sign of addition. This is the main difference. Now we are taking some examples for proving that. Let's a is equal to 1. We will take some large example. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Now we will put values here. 2 multiply in bracket 3 plus 4 is equal to, now 2 will multiplied by 3. 2 multiply 3 plus, now 2 will multiplied by 4. 2 multiply 4. 2 3 जा 6 प्लस 2 4 जा 8 एंड 6 and 4 8 14. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव हियर. अब हमें यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है, तो हम यहाँ पे सिंपल बॉड मास रूल से सॉल्व करेंगे. इट इज ऑफ बॉड मास रूल. एट फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट ऑफ, देन डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाई, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन. 3 + 4 इनसाइड ब्रैकेट getting 7. 2 × 7 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 14, and this is proved here. Okay, now we are solving for this. Then same, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 4. Now 2 multiply in bracket 3 minus 4 is equal to 2 getting multiplied by 3, then minus 2 getting multiplied by 4. जैसे ही ब्रैकेट खुलेगा 2 का मल्टीप्लाई 3 से भी होगा, 2 का मल्टीप्लाई 4 से भी होगा. नाउ 2 3 जा 6 minus 2 4 जा 8. 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2 because the number of negative sign is greater. यहाँ पे 6 स्मॉल है, 8 लार्ज है, 6 पॉजिटिव है, 8 नेगेटिव है, इसलिए सिंबल भी नेगेटिव लगेगा. नाउ फ्रेंड्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 में से 4 का सब्ट्रैक्शन हुआ, -1 बचा. -1 का 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो -2 बचा. इट इज ऑल्सो प्रूव्ड हियर. These are the two parts of distributive property. Now guys, we are going to taking additive identity and some other identities. Additive identity according to this identity, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. Answer will always same. If we will add any number, let's suppose a to 0 and 0 to any other number a, then answer will be always a. As for example, let's a is equal to 2, then 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2, answer will always same. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 0 plus 2 is also equal to 2. Hence it is proved here. Now we are going to taking multiplicative identity. Once again I explaining you, the additive identity always says that if we will add one number to 0 or 0 to any other number, we will get always same number 2. Like a plus 0 and 0 plus a is also equal to a. Let's say is equal to 2. We take an example. 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Hence it is proved here. Now we are going to taking about multiplicative identity. This is our 5th number identity. Multiplicative identity. A multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by a. We will get a. According to this identity, if we will multiply any number to 1 and we will multiply 1 to any number, we will get same answer. If you will multiply 5 to 1 or 1 to 5, we will get 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 1 5 ja 5. I am proving here by taking example. It's for example a is equal to 5. Then 5 multiply 1 is equal to 1 multiply 5. Answer will be 5 is equal to 5. Okay, it is proved here. Now we are going to taking some other identity here. This is our sixth number identity, multiplication, multiplicative identity. In multiplicative identity, we always take 1 for multiplication. Now next identity, in next identity I will take 0. Like this identity, come, let's see here, multiplication by 0, simply we can write here. Now if we will multiply any number a to 0 or 0 to any other number a, we will get always 0. In हिंदी लैंग्वेज वी कैन से, अगर आप किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो या फिर 0 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, आपका आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. इट मीन्स ये कह सकते हैं 0 से किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई होने पर आंसर 0 हो जाएगा. आई एम प्रूविंग हियर. बड़े से बड़ा नंबर लो या छोटे से छोटा नंबर, ये प्रॉपर्टी कभी चेंज नहीं होती है. इफ a is equal to 7, then 7 multiply 0 is equal to 0 multiply 7. आपने 7 का 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो भी 0 आएगा. And if you will multiply 0 by 7, then it is also 0. Okay. Now I am taking one more example. If a is equal to 1473, this is a big number. Now 1473 multiply by 0 or 0 multiply by 1473, it is also 0 and it is also 0. By these two examples it is proved here. Okay, now we are going to taking example for properties of division identity. Now let's see here. Properties of division. Okay, in properties of division, first property, if a is divided by 1, then the answer will be a. अगर किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड किया जाता है या किसी नंबर में 1 का डिवाइड किया जाता है तो आंसर हमेशा वो नंबर ही रहेगा. If a number is divided by 1, then answer will always same. Like for example, a is equal to 18. Now put values here. 18 divided by 1, answer is 18. It is proved here. Okay. In short language or in for small classes students, 18 and मैं 1 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ तो 1 18 जा 18 ही आता है, तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो तो 18 ही रहेगा. इट इज़ ऑल्सो 18. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर लास्ट टॉपिक and this is the second part of this 7th number identity. Let's see here. If 0 is divided by any number, answer will always जीरो। इससे लास्ट आइडेंटिटी में हमने देखा था जीरो से किसी नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो भी आंसर जीरो रहता है, और जीरो से किसी नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाता है तो भी आंसर जीरो आता है। इट मीन्स जीरो की वैल्यू आप इजीली समझ सकते हो मैथमेटिक्स में। इफ a इज इक्वल टू 3 then 0 divided by 3 answer will be 0. We take another number. If a is equal to 1800 then 0 divided by 1800 it is also 0. Okay friends, we will provide notes for this topic, and these notes we will provide notes for you, and if you have any type of query, any type of doubt, you can consult me in the comment section, or you can also take message, you can also give message on this number 8239 199 241. On this number you can leave a message. Okay, thank you.